Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 5710 Express audio mobile phone, and in this video I will show you two different methods to hard reset this phone. So you can do the restore factory settings by using these two different methods. The first method is by using a code. Okay, so the code is star hash 7370 hash. Okay, so you can see as I dial this code, it will ask me to restore factory settings and delete all user data and settings. Okay, and then if I press this middle button, it will restore factory setting, it will delete all data from my mobile phone. So this is the first method by using the code. Okay, now the second method is by using the settings option. Okay, so you have to go inside the menu. Once you enter into the menu, you have to scroll down and you have to select this settings icon from here. Okay, settings, just select it. Once you select it, the very first option over here, it says system. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, and then you will see this option of about. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, here you see the second option over here, it says restore factory settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will give you two options. The first option is full restore. The second option is restore settings only. So whatever option you want, you can select. For example, I select this full restore, I press this middle button, and then here it asks me if I really want to restore factory setting. If I press OK, then it will delete all data from my mobile phone. So guys, this is how you can do the hard reset in Nokia 5710 Express audio mobile phone. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.